Hello, this is Mike with another dumb little video here. Today I'm going to go through how to set up a video recording environment for doing capture of your screen and recording your webcam on Linux. I'm using Ubuntu 18.04. Specifically, I'm using the Ubuntu version. This will probably work with any flavor. Um, so the way that we're gonna do this, I'm actually using the software right now. It's this vokoscreen, whatever that is. Um, but it works pretty well for doing the actual recording of stuff. It's got a relatively simple interface here, and basically you can pick your webcam, you can set some orientation on it, you can pick your audio source and check off the things that you want to actually record, and you can set your display with some different information, like you can pick either a window, an area of your screen, or the entire thing like I'm doing right now. Now, to install all this, you'll be able to see these commands underneath the video here, but you're going to use sudo apt install vokoscreen, and then we're going to install the snap environment. Snap is basically a way of packaging applications on Linux, but it packages them with all their dependencies, and it makes it so that you can get the latest and greatest straight from the publisher. And then we're going to use Snap to install Shortcut. Now, Shortcut's a pretty interesting little video editor. Um, it actually allows you to cut and splice your videos pretty easily under Linux. Um, so it's, I guess, similar but significantly better than Windows Movie Maker or alike anywhere else. Um, so yeah, that is how I basically set up my recording environment. Um, this is the video editor that I'm using. You can find tons of tutorials on how to use it. It's available on Windows, Mac, and PC, and it works exactly the same on all of them. And this vokoscreen program allows you to capture with a webcam capture at the same time. So that's pretty nice. Okay, well, hopefully you have a good day.